In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google over here. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, select Passwords section at the bottom left corner and click Add Password over here. Then input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!